This is my wife's 2012 Dodge Charger RT. Got it detailed for, but here's an exhaust clip of the dual Flowmaster exhaust I had put on for her. Too quiet for my taste with the stock exhaust, so this is what this sounds like.